every single job that I've had since I was 12 was in the hospitality field. I got into some culinary classes within my high school, and my teacher saw that I had a passion for the industry. I came to Stout because of the management degree and how well known the program is. When I was looking at different schools on where I wanted to go, I actually toured 3 or 4 different campuses, and I met with the program advisors of different departments. And I told them what I was kind of looking for. I was looking for the management side of things. And instead of persuading me to go into one of their programs, they flat out told me, you need to go to Stout. So when I came to Stout and I toured Stout, I had a meeting with the program advisor here for the Hospitality Hotel Restaurant Tourism Management program. And I told her what I was expecting and looking for a degree. And I walked out of that interview smiling head to toe because I knew this is exactly where I needed to be. So when I first came to campus, it was a little intimidating just because of the new environment that you're in. But when I came to the hospitality building, I ended up just getting to know the professors and the students very well because it's a small-knit community, and I just felt at home. Went to the classes, and in one of my first classes, I walked out with goosebumps one day because I was in the right place, and I knew that. I feel at home now. And as the years have gone on, from freshman to sophomore, my confidence has grown. My networking opportunities have skyrocketed. Really amazing classes. We have an 8-hour lab class, specifically food service related, and you get to serve the public, full service meal. We have a wine and spirits food class. We're tasting up to 60 different wines, possibly $200 to $300 bottles of wine, and we pair them with food. On top of that, there's actually a trip that Peter does to Spain and France where it's more in-depth food and wine pairing. The internships that Stout has provided me, a lot of them have come through the career fair. The privilege to work at the Ryder Cup at Hazeltine National Golf Club. And then this last summer, I was out in Montana at the Stock Farm Club. Next summer, I'm going to be going out to Boston at the oldest country club in America. I consider UW-Stout my second home. I get to go intern for 3 months in a different state, a different country sometimes, and then I get to come home back to Stout and continue my daily life.